They look like sadness and depression in slipper form. If they were $19.99 at Walmart, nobody would know any better. So damn ugly. Just go to the county jail and you'll get them for free. I swear these were carved from a loaf of bread.
Trash talk!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, this video is about Yeezy slippers. Now this is like kind of my first shoe unboxing, so please don't go ham on me. This is my first time again. But yeah, let's get into it. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also press the bell for notifications so that way you know when a new video is uploaded. And yeah, subscribe, like, follow, do all that good stuff. Now, this bad boy. I like it. I think it's so cool looking. I think it does look like a cool loaf of bread. Okay, I'll go down the list and say what I like and what I don't like. So first of all, the box is pretty cool. Look at that, it just says slide. Now I do have another pair of Yeezys and all the boxes look like this, which I really like. I like how traditional and consistent the boxes look. This is the box to my 350s, and again, it still looks the same. Whatever the name or model of the shoe will be on the top. So this is the slide, it says the slide. These are the 350s, obviously. These are the 350s. So I like that. I think that is really cool. It's super cohesive. So let's talk about the ordering process. I don't believe in waiting in lines for stuff like shoes and sandals, especially a pair of sandals. And I woke up Thursday morning. My friend was like, hey, let's get the Yeezy slippers. We both could get online. You order one or you order them and I'll, you know, Cash App, pay, whatever. I was like, okay, cool. As long as I didn't have to get up too early, I was okay. I will be up anyway because I'm working from home now. And they went online at 10 o'clock. I was online. I literally had a reminder set for 9:57 so that way I could come type it in and get on the website. We both were on the website. I was actually on the website and both of my phones. And the wheel was just spinning. It was like spinning, spinning, spinning. And he had texted me. He was like, oh, I got mine. And I was like, oh, you only could buy one. So I was like, okay. I guess I'm not gonna get mine. So I let it spin and let it spin, and then it popped up as choose a size, and I was like, okay, let me choose a size. I thought it was a joke at first. I was like, okay, my size would be sold out. So I went and clicked it, and I was like, oh, my size is available. I had already discussed with my friend that I'm normally an 8, so I'll go up a 9. I also got my other Yeezys in the 9 too, so I may be a 9, but most of my shoes are 8. So I was like, okay, let me get a 9. The 9 was available. I put it in the cart and I ordered it. Super simple, especially when you have Apple Pay. Just press a button and it comes. Mind you, I was moving so fast, I forgot to put my apartment number and the address. So I was like, oh man, let me go ahead and chat with them. So I chatted, got that whole thing situated. I'm thinking like, okay, it may push it out a few days. Mind you, this was a Thursday morning. I got them Saturday morning. They came super fast. I heard a knock at the door and I was like, okay, who could this be? I'm thinking it's like the maintenance office or maybe a neighbor, you know, a lot is going on now. And I'm like, oh, I got a box from Adidas. And I was like, what could it be? I totally forgot I ordered them because it came that fast. And then when I opened it up, it said slide. And I was like, I don't know why I got so excited. But yeah, this is the box. I got this cool brown color and it's really kind of, it's really just simple. There's not much Adidas branding on it. It's just a simple slide. Super cool, super nice, just brown. I think this color is going to go with a lot of stuff. I've actually worn them twice and they're super comfortable. Like, I do think they're super weird looking. I do think they kind of look like a loaf of bread or a gel shoe or inmate slipper. Kind of give me Croc vibes. They definitely feel like Crocs, but they are. Of course, every time I want to record a video, a horn is honking, somebody's cranking up a bike or a helicopter out my window. But as I was stating, yeah, they do kind of look weird. They do give Crocky vibes like Crocs, but Crocs are pretty expensive, so I like them. I think they look cool. I think they look like something that someone like me would wear, and I approve. Clearly, I purchased them. All right, So let's talk about some pros. I think it is super comfortable. I love the color, and I love the other colors that they came up with. And I like the minimalistic look. What I don't like about it or hate about these, I still think it's kind of ugly. I think it's like a cute ugly. It's like a dog that is like cute but it's ugly. Do you see what I'm saying? No. I don't know, it's cute. It looked like a piece of bread, but a cute piece of bread, like a loaf. I wish it came in more colors. Maybe like black, navy blue, a nice burnt orange, or like something like that. That would be really, really dope. Oh, maybe like even like a lime green. I think that would be super, super cool. I know a lot of people wish that it was more Yeezy branding on it. It literally just says Adidas right here. Well, it doesn't even say Adidas. It's the symbol right there. Can you see it? And in the inside, it says Yeezy in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like some Yeezy words in here. It says Yeezy made in China. So I don't know. I'm pleased with them. I think they're super cool. I'm gonna wear them today. I'm gonna wear them tomorrow, and I'm gonna wear them as many times as I want because I like them. They're pretty cool. They were cheap. If I'm able to get my hands on a few other colors, I'll get another pair. I will say this, if you are interested in purchasing them, go a size up. So if you're an 8, get a 9. If you're a 10, get an 11. Obviously, if you're a 5, get a 6. I just think that that extra space, my feet fits in this perfectly. Like, it's almost like putting a hot dog in a piece of bread or a bun. Just the hot dog fits perfectly in the bun. This is the bun, your foot is the hot dog. It goes right in there. It fits so perfectly, but these are just my thoughts and ideas of what I purchased. I seen them before and I was like, you know, I think those look weird. I want a pair. So I went and got a pair, and I hope you guys enjoy. I know some of you Yeezy enthusiasts didn't buy them. Some of you did. Some people have to have them. Some people are like, those are too ugly to purchase. But I've seen some really ugly Yeezy, so go figure. I like them. I purchased them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was going to keep this short and simple. Please stay safe during this quarantine. Have everything delivered to your house. Yeah, I just felt like I wanted to come and share this with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, until next time, I'm out.